Good morning, students. Chapter 1, A Period of Transition. The history of a country is usually divided, as we have already learned, into ancient, medieval, and modern period. Ancient, medieval, and modern periods. This year we learn about the modern period of history. This year we learn about the modern period of history. The term of modern history refers to the different periods of time, parts of the world, different periods of the time and different parts of the world. So, while in Europe, modern history extends from the 15th century to at present day, 15th century to the present day. In India, it began with the British conquest of India in the 18th century. In 18th century. Next is sources of modern history. Compared to the ancient and medieval history, the sources of modern history are the richer and far more diverse. The modern and medieval history are richer and far more the diverse. Sources of modern history can be divided into two types. Sources of modern history can be divided into two parts. First one, primary sources. Second one, secondary sources. There are two types of this modern history can be divided into two types, primary sources and secondary sources. First one is primary sources. Primary sources are those that provide first-hand account of the event and time and period in history. Primary sources are those that provide in first hands an account of an event or that time period in history. Example, primary sources included first one, eyewitness accounts of events, newspaper, interviews, speeches, manuscripts, emails and blogs, etc. Second one is autobiographies and biographies and memories. Third one is official records such as the government, publication and census data. Fourth one is painting, photographs, films, television, progress, audio records, etc. The next one is statistical data based on survey. Statistical data based on survey, field work and opinion polls. Monuments, artifacts, coins, inscription. These are interview or on important source of modern history. For example, people who witnessed people who witnessed the partitions of India were interviewed to get a first-hand account of the times in which they lived. Her Mahatma Gandhi is being the interviewed by the author Louis Pasteur. The first will hear the Mahatma Gandhi is being the interview by the author of Louis Pasteur. Next is secondary sources. Secondary sources are based on primary sources. Secondary sources based on the primary sources. They explain the discuss, describe and analyzes, interpreted summaries in primary data. Primary data we sources those that provide for the first example events, newspapers, report, diaries, etc. And then secondary sources are based on primary sources. The examples of discuss, describe, analyzes, interpreted and summaries in primary data. Example of secondary sources including scholarly books such as the textbooks and the Ecologipedia, reviews and the articles in academic magazines and journals. These are pages from the diary of young Jewish girl called Anne Frank. She is lived in the Netherlands during the time of Hitler. The diary helps us to understand to the condition of the time and this modern period. These pages from the diary of young Jewish girl called Anne Frank. She is lived in the Netherlands during the time of Hitler. This diary helps us to understand the conditions of the time. Next is a newspaper's report dated 15th August 1947 announcing the independence of India. Independence of India in this newspaper, Indian independent and British rule ends. This newspaper reported dated in 15th August and 1947 announcing the independence of India. Next is these photographs like this help us understand how the partitions of India in 1947 affected the lives of the millions as they had to relocate of almost overnight. This picture show the photographs like this help us understood how the partitions of India in 1947 affected the lives of million as they had to recollect almost of the overnight. This of sources of the sources of modern history. There are two types of sources: the primary sources and secondary sources. First primary sources, examples of the primary sources, report, diaries, journals, letters, events, newspapers, interviews, speeches, manuscripts, emails, etc. Then secondary sources, they explain, discuss, describe, analyzes, interpret, summaries and primaries data. Thank you, children.